Good morning. So today I thought I'd clean out the fridge. I'm on 2 weeks leave. Oh, that's a bit bright. I'm on 2 weeks leave at the moment, so I have a list of things I want to do. One is to clean out under the fridge. Another one is to rearrange my pantry and just clean out the old food and things that we don't need anymore. Donate to charity for the food that we're never going to use. The boys are pretty particular in what they eat. So I'll show you the fridge and then we can take it from there. So I'm not going to lie, the fridge is absolutely disgusting at the moment. It really needs a really good clean. As you can see, it's just chocker full of stuff that I need to go through, throw out, give it a good wipe down. And yeah, so that's that. Up here, we tend just to go through the week and just throw out. It was just keep shoving stuff in there until it doesn't fit anymore, and then try and deal with it as we go. So yeah, stay with me. So that's my yes pile. I only managed to throw out 4 things. It's pretty. And then I'm just going to give this a wipe out and put everything back in. All the sauces and tomato paste, lemon juice, all that kind of stuff is now clean and put in here. I've checked all the expiry dates. They're all within date. So we'll go and put this back in the fridge. Lazy Susan of all our condiments. In here is our salad dressings, some more chutney from Mrs. Ball's, semi-dried tomatoes. This one here is just got our jams for Joel. Put back the butter for my husband and some butter for the boys. I don't eat butter, so that's okay. It doesn't sit well with my tummy. And eggs. Now we'll go ahead and check out the trays I usually have in my fridge. So this tray here I usually keep my cold meats. This one here is all our cheeses, and this one here is our meal kit meats and stuff they provide for the meal kits. I might actually go ahead and swap out some of these trays, so I'm just going to wash them out, clean them out, check all the dates again, and we'll go from there. Start this one. This ham and chicken roll from Woolies is the only one that Joel will eat when he sandwiches it for lunch. With the train derailment and the flooding in South Australia, our shelves have been absolutely decimated and empty for the last couple of weeks. We weren't able to find it, and he was absolutely beside himself. So the other day, I know we're only supposed to shop for our essentials, but the other day I saw 2 in there, so I grabbed both. Mozzarella cheese. I'm always a bit dubious with cheese, but yeah, that's good. Parmesan. Right there, open it up. Yeah, no, I forgot. Some sausage. Oops, some grated parmesan from the meal kit. Yeah, that can go. That can go. That can go, I don't know what that is. And there you go. So I'll give this a good wash out. And this, I'm going to put the meal kits back into this one because it's nice and big. so that fits much better in there. So let me show you that. So I've got the meats, and then whatever little teriyaki sauce, oyster sauce for some of the meal kits, all that kind of stuff, and now I'll put it back in the fridge. So this one here I'm going to have for the cold meat, so the chicken roll and the salami can go into. This one I'm going to change over to cheese. Cheese. And cheese. Let me know if anybody's having luck with storing their cheese a different way. The Rissia little bags aren't working for me, but until I find a different idea. Some Swiss cheese, which only my husband will eat. And some more mozzarella. Hidden packets of cheese. Right, so I'll put that in there. And that one's done, so we'll pop that back in the freezer, the fridge. I don't even know what's in there. Looks like it's ham. Bit dodgy. I'll put that back. Right, so this one here is the cold meat. So I'll give this a wash out. Taking this label off, it's not cheese anymore, and I might use the Cricut Joy to make a new label. I find if I label things, it tends to go back into its correct spots. Not all the time, but yeah, hopefully, yeah, we'll get that done a bit later. So I'll put back in here Joel's ham and chicken roll, and the kebab, the one that's going on, and then the bacon, which maybe it's not going to fit, but we'll make it fit. So there's that one, and I'll put that back in the fridge. So now I'll go through our salad dressings and bone broth, which we were given this. I don't think I'll ever use it, so I'm going to get rid of that. Italian dressing, it's still in date. Thousand Island, oh, it's out of date. French, it's out of date. And Mrs. Ball's chutney, which it's in Afrikaans. So let me see if I can find a date. Best before date, see lid. Okay, I can't see that even with my glasses on. And then I've got some yeast in here. Best before 2016. I think that can go. And this one is same. All right. Well, that was nice and simple. So let's clean that out and put it back in the fridge. So now I've put back the cold meats, the cheeses, and then I've popped the meal prep kits down this one here. So the idea is to leave this space here for leftovers, because we do have a lot of leftovers. With the meal kits, we order the 4-person meal kits, but I don't eat a lot with my gastric sleeve surgery that I had 18 months ago. So we tend to have a full meal left over, which hubby will either take for work, or the kids will have when they come home from school, or it gets left for leftovers and then the dogs eat it. I know it's a waste of food, but the 2-person meal isn't big enough for the 3.5 of us. and the 4 is just too much food. But I find the convenience of the meal kits absolutely fantastic, especially, I work 40 hours a week. Hubby works 40 hours a week with shift, and that way Joel, he's not too bad. Every night he'll go, what's for dinner? Not dinnerly, but when I do cook it, he enjoys every single meal that I've cooked so far. I do choose on the menu kid-friendly meals and meals that he will eat. And he's not the autistic one, the autistic Matthew. He'll eat anything I put in front of him. Luckily, we've never had any food issues with him. When he was younger, he just didn't eat. You couldn't prompt him with food. He wasn't interested in, most kids is, if you do this, I'll give you this. Or, if you want a lolly or biscuit, or he never was that kind of kid where he was food prompted. So now he'll eat anything I put in front of him, which is handy. So let's continue on with this fridge clean and makeover. Let's have a look. 24th the 2nd, 21. Okay. Okay. Didn't even know they were in there. Chocolate.